Everyone, myself Professor Amrish Bhavsar, Head of the Department in Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Technological, PAT. Today's lecture on design of structure. So, what is structure? First of all, we have to understand what is structure, and after that, we are going to understand about the design of structure. So, all of you have knowledge about the structural analysis, and the structural analysis is the base of the design of structure. We all know about the structure. Means, let's start. Structure is the combination of different elements like slab, beam, column, and footing, which is like skeleton of human body. Means, in human body, skeleton is important for the stability of the body. Same way, in building structure, there is a structural components is most important for the stability of building. So, from that, using of material in the building structure, we are classified the structure in a two type. First one is RCC structure and the second one is steel structure. In this lecture, we are discussed about the steel structure. So, in steel structure, all the structural elements are made up of structural steel. So, we have to clear idea about the structural steel. What is structural steel and why we are called that structural steel? Because steel having different types like cast iron, wrought iron, and structural steel. Cast iron is the different steel iron material, wrought iron is the different thing, and structural steel also different thing. In this different type of steel, there is a combination of carbon content is different. That's why we are considering three different part. But as compare the all the steel, structural steel having good ability to resist all kind of loads which is acting on building. That's why we are using the structural steel as a structural member. Which are the important thing for the steel using in structure? That are high strength, high ductility, high workability, high tensile strength, and one of the thing that is it's rusting very fast. This is drawback of the structural steel, but we can maintain that rusting problem day by day. Due to this ability, structural steel is used as a structure. Now, steel structure, how it is formed, what is steel structure and where it is used. right? You can see there are two photographs uh, which is made up by structural steel. Now, which are the advantages and disadvantages of this structural steel? First one, high strength. Compared to weight, means structural steel has high strength per weight ratio, thus the dead weight of the structural steel is very small. This property make the structure very attractive. In there, high rise building, long span bridges, structure loaded on soft ground, structure located in highly seismic area where the force acting on the structure due to earthquake are generally proportional to the weight of the structure. Means earthquake is acting on that structure which is having heavy load. Having heavy load. But in steel structure, the weight of the structure is very low, so chances of earthquake is reduced. Number 2, ductility. Means steel